Hi everyone, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to another video. So today we're doing my empty apartment tour. You'll have to I apologize for the echoiness. You'll have to bear with me. But I thought it would be fun to do a full empty apartment tour before my move-in and stuff, just so you guys can kind of get a feel for my place. So we're gonna start here in the entryway, obviously front door, and then over to the side here, there's a closet. I'm not gonna open it up because it's got a bunch of cleaning supplies and stuff in it right now. But it's a pretty small entryway, but I feel like you don't really need a huge entryway in a condo. And then we're gonna go right off the entryway into the primary bathroom. So it is a 2-bed, 2-bath, and this is kind of the guest washroom. So pretty standard, just sink, toilet, stand-up shower. Giant mirrors though, which is really nice. And then coming off from the hallway and bathroom, we have the kitchen, which is pretty nice. My plan is to renovate everything eventually, renovate the whole kitchen and both bathrooms, but for now, this is good, it fits. So it's kind of this taupey brown color and is, honestly, I like it, it's good. And then one thing that I really loved about it is that the fridge and freezer actually blend in. So we have the fridge here, and then the freezer below. I really love the whole seamless look of the kitchen. I feel like it's pretty standard. And then my unit also came with this lovely table right here because there's no island. So this is going to be the only piece of furniture in the living room for a while because I don't really have any other furniture. But that's the kitchen. And then coming right off the kitchen, one of the things that I mentioned in my apartment hunting video is that I loved the layout. I loved how it was this like big square open concept right off the kitchen. So we have this giant space for the living room. Envision like a couch here, TV on the wall. But yeah, just big open concept. To the left here we have the little balcony, which is really nice. Don't mind the windows, I need to clean them. But it's just a nice like small balcony. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but there's that. And then coming right off the living room is what would have been the second bedroom, but I'm going to be making my bedroom. I feel like it's pretty standard. We've got a closet over here with the sliding doors. I don't love the sliding doors, but I like the fact that at least they're not mirrored. They're just plain, basic, white. Pretty small closet, but we're gonna make do. And then another thing that I mentioned that I love about this whole unit is that it's got the floor-to-ceiling windows all the way around the unit. We even got one that opens here, which is really nice because a lot of the ones that don't have balconies also don't open, but they do have 2 parts that open, so we get a little bit of fresh air in, which is nice. All right, and then coming off the kitchen onto the other side, right off the kitchen we have washer, dryer, just standard, but it actually has a pretty decent amount of space. Like I feel like I'll probably fit like a shelf and then vacuum brooms and stuff on the side, which is really nice. And I really love the doors for some reason. I just like the way that it opens up. It kind of feels like a little bit more of like a laundry space rather than actually like part of the apartment. And then coming to the second bedroom, which this is what would have been the master, but I'm going to be making this my office. Full floor-to-ceiling windows again. This room is a little bit bigger than the other one on the other side, but it'll be nice to be my office and filming space. And then we have another closet here, which is probably about double the size of the one in the other bedroom. Again, just the sliding doors. I feel like it's decently big, like it's not quite a walk-in, but like I can stand in it and not even touch the ceiling. So, and then coming off into the master bathroom, again, pretty standard. We have a shower tub, which is nice because I'll actually have a tub for once. But otherwise, it's pretty much the same as the other bathroom, the full mirrors again. glass, big tall sliding doors, which I don't mind for now just because I am living by myself, that I don't mind the glass doors. And then I did mention we have the little balcony there. But that is the whole apartment tour, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you guys kind of got a sense of my space. I'm so excited for the moving vlogs, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you all so much. Bye!